This morning I was listening to Mukunda Goswami's class, and he was talking about when everybody heard that you had left, and he was telling his story, and it reminded me of my experience, of my story, from the perspective of a 10-year-old. So I'd just seen you in Mayapur, Vrindavan. It was India anyway, and we left for visa problems, to get the visa. And so my last memory was I was with you, and you were just the same effulgent Srila Prabhupada that I've known since I first saw you, since I was a little child. And so there was a phone call. We got to Hamburg, and I was running around the Hamburg temple, and the phone rang, and I didn't speak German, so I don't know why I answered the phone, but I answered the phone, and it was a very authoritative voice saying, "Can you get an adult? Can you get your mother?" So, yeah. And I saw the devotees lament because we had lost you. However, as a 10-year-old, I was convinced, I was like, no, he's not gone. Srila Prabhupada's never leaving us. He's always with us. He will always be with us. And I said that with utter conviction. There was no, he's gone. It was like, no, he's here. He will always be here with us. I knew you would always be here with us. And I didn't know much about life. All I knew is that you were everything to me from the moment I saw you as a child. You were my parents, you were my savior. I was a small child in Gurukul with no family left, but you were my family. When I saw you, I knew that you would protect me and you would save me, and I felt safe. And when I actually first saw you, it was like, I remember, all I know is when I looked at you, Srila Prabhupada, I saw, to me, you were Krishna. You were a representative of Krishna that was the same, one and the same, and there was like the sun coming up, and you were just this bright light in my life from then till now. And I'm so grateful that you have given me this opportunity in this life to make this my last life as a conditioned soul, and I try really hard every day to do what you asked of me. You asked me to chant every day, and I try really hard to do that. I hope one day I can make you proud. And I also was listening to when Krishna Rupa was speaking about how we would miss seeing you coming. That was one thing that was very hard as a child, just not going to your rooms and you weren't physically there, but we knew that you were still, your presence was always there. Thank you for giving me Krishna consciousness. Thank you for giving me this life as it is. I find myself sometimes very challenged in life, but whether it's situations with other people or surroundings, and I always feel so grateful that Krishna is in my life, because all of that stuff is meaningless, whether it's politics or arguments or my ego or other people or whatever. I just go, wow, this is completely irrelevant because Krishna is at the center of my universe, and so it doesn't matter. None of this matters. So I feel so grateful and indebted that you gave me that in this life, and I hope I can continue to stay in the association of devotees and serve you. Thank you.